Endurance Lasers presents a new DPSS laser module for metal engraving. 10 watt is an average laser power. 80 mm is a focal length from the lens to a surface. An ultra-compatible mounting bracket can be installed on any 3D printer, CNC machine or XY plotter. An impulsive mode of engraving. Control the laser using any available software, including repeater hub. A nice engraving on decorative plate. Marking on copper is available right now. Check your G-code using CNC Viewer first. Prepare your G-code in T2 Laser, Lightburn or Inkscape using Endurance plugin add-on. Engraving on anodized aluminum. Stainless steel marking. High quality of laser engraving. Engraving on steel. Engraving on galvanized steel. No engraving paste is needed. Engraving on pure aluminum. Enjoy engraving and marking on metals using Endurance DPSS laser module.